So let's boil our potatoes, and in the other small casserole, we're gonna put our chopped garlic and a whole milk, and just estimated the amount of milk that you're going to use. It depende sa dami ng potatoes na gagamitin mo. And then paiinitin lang natin siya, hindi natin siya pakukuluan until like 1 minute, and hanggang na maamoy lang natin siya yung garlic into our milk. And then pagluto na yung ating potatoes, drain natin siya. Then we return back to our casserole and starting mashing our cooked potatoes. Keep mashing our potatoes hanggang madurog natin siya lahat, na makita natin na pinong-pino na lahat ang ating patatas or potatoes. And keep mashing. And then we're going to put our garlic milk, pero we're gonna use a strainer, and we put gradually para malaman natin ang texture ng ating mashed potato, because I don't like a mushy mashed potato. But at the same time, yung aking stove, naka-on lang yan for low heat para hindi siya masunog, and at the same time still mainit pa rin yung ating potato habang minamash natin siya. Ayan, kasi natansya ko na siya kung ano kadami yung milk, ilagay ko na lang siya lahat. Ayan. And keep mashing until ma-mix natin lahat our mashed potato to our garlic milk. Ayan, look at that. And then I'm going to add my 4 tablespoons of butter. I use salted butter. So ilalagay ko lang siya muna yung 2 tablespoons, kasi the rest I'm gonna put that after ang ating butter. Kung nakikita nyo, yung aking stove still on, pero luhit lang yan. Kasi gusto ko na masarap kainin yung mashed potato na medyo mainit-init pa. Then I'm going to put a salt to my mashed potato, Himalayan salt, and then mix it again. Keep mixing. And then I'm going to put a heavy cream. So, ang iba, nilalagyan nila ng sour cream. But I don't like sour in my mashed potato. So, I just like put a half cup of heavy cream. Ayan. Because I love heavy cream. Yung iba is sour cream yung nilalagay nila. So, ayan. And this is done. And we're gonna put our mashed potato to in a small bowl and put a presentation. So here's our cooked mashed potato. So we're going to put a presentation, or I'm gonna put garnish. So the 2 tablespoon butter that I saved earlier, I'm going to put on the top of my mashed potato because it's still hot. So I want to see the butter, it's starting melted on the top of my mashed potato. And also I'm going to put a garnish with the onion leaves so that it's look like yummy to eat my mashed potato. Diba? Kapag mayroon siyang presentation or decorative to our food, sometimes magaganahan tayong kumain. If you could see, look at the butter, it's starting melting to my mashed potato. And look at that. And this is done. And it's ready to eat. And try to your home, to your family to cook. And it's really yummy. It's delicious. You could taste the butter. Butter and garlic to our mashed potato. Garlic mashed potato. And here you go, guys. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment to my YouTube channel, Lovely Sisters. Thank you. Bye. Love you all.